How to use HelloTalk app on mobile. First, open the HelloTalk application. If you do not have this app, download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see all of the chats over here. At top, you can also find the options like all courses, play, AI translation, etc. You can tap on those options in order to access those features. If you tap on the connect option that you can see at bottom, you'll be able to connect with people. Over here, you can see various people suggested for you. Also, you can see various categories at top. You can find the categories like serious learners, nearby city, gender, etc. Tap on the category of your choice. If you're looking to learn the international language, you can tap on the option serious learners. Now tap on the profile of your choice. You can see their profile over here. If you like their profile, you can tap on the like button that you can see at the top. Also at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for follow. If you tap on it, you can see over here you'll follow this user. Likewise, you can say hi and start chatting by tapping on the option say hi. Tap on the option I understand. Now you'll be able to start chatting with them. Tap on the message bar, enter your message, tap on the send icon in order to send the message. Now you can go back. Likewise, if you tap on the option movements, you'll be able to see various posts over here. You can see posts from various users. You can also interact with their post if you want. Likewise, if you tap on the option voice room, you can join various voice rooms over here. In these voice rooms, you'll be able to talk with each other. Likewise, if you tap on the me icon, you'll be able to see your profile over here. You can edit your profile by tapping on the edit option. After you do that, you'll be able to see the information regarding your profile. You can simply edit these informations if you want. Likewise, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top in order to access the settings. You can see various settings options over here. You can explore the settings on your own. You can also unlock VIP account if you want. For that, you'll have to tap on this option unlock that you can see on the screen. Select the plan, tap on the option continue. Follow through the prompts, complete the payment, and your account will be upgraded to VIP. You can access much more features after that. So like this, you'll be able to use HelloTalk app on mobile. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.